Welcome to NGS Magnified. Whether you're a veteran science teacher, new teacher, or homeschooler, we have a perfect middle school science program for you. Stick around and learn more. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Dr. Erica Colon, and today we're going over NGS Magnified Curriculum. This is an extensive middle school science curriculum based on the 5E model for life, earth, and physical science. So this works whether you're going to go ahead and teach the discipline throughout the entire school year. So if it's 6th is life, 7th is earth, or 8th is physical science, you can do that. Or if you teach an integrated curriculum, you can go ahead and integrate all of those units to make the curriculum that works for you. So let's start breaking it down. And the first thing we want to start with is what teachers love about NGS Magnified Curriculum are the free digital textbooks. That's right. If you head over to ngsmagnified.com, students have access to a free digital textbook that they can use right there on the website, or you have the option to print off a PDF version. This is going to start introducing students to the vocab and the images and illustrations that we're going to be using throughout that unit. And the first thing they're going to want to use that digital textbook with is their interactive notebooks. The NGS Magnified Curriculum offers both a digital and a traditional interactive notebook. This is kind of the hallmark piece of NGS Magnified Curriculum because our interactive notebooks are not found anywhere else. If the students are working through the interactive notebooks, then they are going to be working on output activities that are never repeated. So the students are engaged throughout the entire year working on those interactive notebooks. To support teachers on those interactive notebooks, we also include editable notes and editable PowerPoints. So if you want to include links for the students, you want to add videos, you have the ability to do that. Now, we have the guided lab next, and that's going to be where the students are going to explore the topic. And in each lab, we're going to give the material list, the procedures for the students. The students are going to collect the data, and they're going to analyze and conclude whatever they are working on as scientists in the lab. Now, once the interactive notebook sections are done, the guided lab is done, then the students should have all the information. And so we're going to start moving towards that mastery of content. And so we want the students to elaborate what they are learning on, and they're going to do that through their science stations. Having 7 science stations that the students work through, including communication, math, reading, another hands-on quick experiment, along with a creation station, which is a STEM challenge. Students are going to elaborate, and they're going to make what they are learning relevant to them throughout all of the science stations. After the science stations are done, we want the students to review everything that they have learned in that unit with 2 different options. They can go with task cards or a study guide. Both come in print and digital options. So the task cards can be used individually, or they can be used in a group setting like game like play, where the study guide could also be worked individually, and they can be used as reinforcement throughout the entire unit, or the students can go ahead and use that right before the final assessment, where they're going to be assessed on everything throughout the unit using multiple choice, short answer, interpreting diagrams and essays, and of course, like everything else for the teacher support, that is editable for you as well if you would like to change up that final assessment. Students will be mastering concepts using NGS Magnified Curriculum through hands-on engagement, STEM challenges, and the students are going to be learning like scientists, focusing on science literacy. So I hope you'll check it out, everything at ngsmagnified.com. Hey everyone, thanks again for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and give us a thumbs up as we bring more science education content your way.